How to connect display in laptop? Yes, you are listening right. We have this display and we want to connect this laptop to our display. Then how we can do so? First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe the channel for get more videos like this. I'm Gogi from How to Doer. Let's begin the work that how we can connect a external monitor or display to our laptop or computer. Let's begin this. First of all, what we have to do, we need a powered LED monitor or any kind of monitor extended display, and we have to connect this on our laptop or computer using HDMI, VGA, however how you can connect, just connect that. After that, what we have to do, it's not working, then we have to go to the start menu, and over there we have to type extend display or duplicate display. Click on that, and after that it will show you many options like this. From over here you have to choose duplicate these displays if you want to see on both displays. If you want to see that on both displays, you can choose that option, and if you want to see only on this extended display, then you have to choose this show only on second display, and now it will show only on this display. That's the way how you can connect a display and use on this type of monitor. The main thing is that if you want to hear a sound or if you have a monitor with speaker, then you have to use HDMI cable, and if you are using VGA you have to use auxiliary cables, aux cable. So that's the way. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends, don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this.